Got my exhaust welded up and put together. Got thrush as the muffler. Tried finding something kind of small to make sure it fit. Not the world's greatest weld, so don't look at them. The wrap helped hide some of it, even though I think some of these last welds were my better ones. I don't weld often, but usually once I start welding for a while, I start laying down some decent ones. But, or passable, I guess. I mean, that's some nasty stuff right there. Blech. But I wrapped this section here. This is a section that's going to be inside there, since I figured having as little heat inside a fiberglass body would be probably pretty smart. So, and they didn't come with the little straps they normally do, so I just used hose clamps, which usually those straps don't work too well anyways. So I figured hose clamps will work, hopefully. So we'll see how long that lasts. Probably all come apart anyways. But now we get to see if all my marking and all burnt off now, but I had it all mocked up and I made little marks. Well, you can kind of see a little bit of them there. I made the marks to make sure that everything lined up, because I had to run it to my grandparents' farm to use the welder, so kind of hard to mock it up, but we're going to see if she fits.